What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a banger because we're going to be talking about why you should not be taking your Tacoma off-road if it's brand freaking new. Now, brand freaking new to you is different from brand spanking new from the factory. But before we talk about it, you already know the dealio, man. Before we get into the video, you gotta leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But with that being said, let's talk about why it's a horrible idea. This guy, 20 years old, I'm young, I'm flexing, I'm going out to buy myself a Tacoma to become the next off-roading champion of the world. This guy right here. So I decided to buy a Tacoma. Mind you, I have not paid off said Tacoma. TRD Sport, not even an off-road. Who needs that rear locking differential? Go out, I find a trail, bring my girlfriend along, we pack for survival, okay? Nothing less but survival. 2 hours away from us is the trail. We head out there, we get on the trail. Trail's around an hour and a half, 2 hours. We get out there, we're driving for around 30 minutes, decide we're tired and we need to go back home. Good thing we packed, we take a little break. We had an orange and a butter knife. Yeah, that was awful. We went back home and I had to rewrite my plan and figure out what I was doing. One trip, it took me one trip to understand why I will never, ever buy another brand new truck and take it off-roading. Hopefully this video teaches you why not to either. Let's talk about the number one reason. Me, I bought my Toyota Tacoma in the quicksand color. That's a beautiful, beautiful color, if I don't say so myself. I know the voodoo blue, army green, cement gray homies out there are gonna get a little bit triggered, but hey brother, quicksand, best color. I take my truck out there, I'm loving it. There's some mud spots. Getting back home, I'm washing it. I'm looking at other people wash their two-wheel drive vehicles. As I'm washing it, some stuff is coming off great, other stuff isn't coming off, and then my paint came off. Okay, so there are some spots where I got scratched up with branches, I got hit by rocks, my fenders were scraping on stuff. Well, now I have to live with it. That's the number one thing. If you buy a beautiful truck, okay, if you buy a $50,000 Tacoma and you get it and you want to go out to the trails to show your homies how cool you are, get some cool Facebook pictures, you might want to reconsider, maybe get a good class in like Photoshop or something and just get somebody to put your face on top of somebody else's face. Because brother, let me tell you, those paint chips, paint scratches are horrendous. And I get it, I'm about to get the people who have climbed Mount Everest with their two-wheel drive Corolla in the comment section telling me how much of a baby I am. I get it, I'm a baby. Paint. It's not a fun thing to drive a scratched up truck because I'm like on the edge, right? I want to look cool, but then my truck is all destroyed. So, you know, buddy, where are you at? Where are you at? The number two thing, it's probably not equipped to go off-road. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to understand that, you know, maybe not all trucks are meant to go off-road. You do need to be equipped to be able to go off-road. I thought that 4x4 badge meant that I could climb the Empire State Building with no problem. Turns out you absolutely cannot. I had one situation that I had just stopped recording and I kid you not, it was the worst experience and it just showed how much of a newbie I was. I pretty much was off camber. I hit it with speed and my right wheel was up and then I came back on the ground and smacked so hard and it was the worst. I can't even describe it. I don't know how I didn't break anything. I still think to this day there's something up there that's absolutely bent. We're good, we're chilling. We're still good as of now. So I thought, the other day I lifted my truck, I was retorquing everything, and then I looked, this cross member is bent, dented. It looks like a rock hit it with an uppercut and the rock won. That's really scary because what if that was an oil pan or a gas tank? That could have been bad. So I got a 2.7 inch lift, bigger tires. Cool, brother, we're not going off-road. If there's a gravel road, I may have to take a detour and call it a day. I could have been stranded with Sandy, not had anywhere to go, anything to fix it. So just keep that in mind. These trucks aren't made to go off-road. As much as people want to push them to go off-road, you may want to build it up or just get yourself a cheaper second gen, stack up some armor on that thing and get out. In reality, I'm an average Joe. I work a regular job, I do YouTube on the side, and I like to look at my truck on the road, not off the road. I mean, I like to look at it off the road, I just don't want it to be off the road broken. You get what I'm saying. Take care of your truck, make sure if it's brand new, take your time. Do not rush into off-roading like I did because I didn't pay the ultimate price, but some people may. It just would look really ugly to, you know, to go on Facebook, look at my new truck, and then on the second one, hey guys, I lost my truck. And the third and final thing today is repairs. On a first gen, it may be hard to find the part, but once you find it, it'll be extremely cheap. On the other spectrum, with this Tacoma, it'll be super easy to find that part at Toyota, but they'll charge you an arm and a leg, plus all 5 tires on that Tacoma to get that new part installed. Just keep that in mind, these prices aren't cheap. I have asked about that in a group chat, a lot of people are telling me like $2,000 to $3,000. It'll stay. It's fine. I think I'm good. I hope, depending on how severe it is, new tires, maybe a little bit of framework, and even some door panels fixed, because a lot of people scrape when they're brand new. It's gonna all stack up on you. It's me begging you not to take your brand new truck off-road, because brother, oh brother, it will not be fun. I'm gonna keep mine on the road. I like it, I love it, and I don't want anything bad to happen to it. With that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you have any other tips for people who are trying to get into this off-roading game, trying to get new trucks, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you would say to them down below in the comment section. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm Like Naughty. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.